Alright, in this canvas we are going to see a really beautiful painting. First we are going to take the green color and we are going to put it in the bottom just to show the greeneries. Okay, so works as a very nice background. Awesome. So you can see the color variations and the ups and downs of the greeneries. Looks nice. So in some spaces you can see uneven surfaces. Awesome. Now from these greeneries we are going to draw some taller trees. For that purpose we are going to take another brush and just drawing few strokes like this one. You can see I'm putting right now. So this is one. Again taking the color, this is two, and taking the color again, this is three. Okay, awesome. So these three trees, and we're going to put the leaves on the tops just like this. So the graphics is going to be, you can see, just a triangle at the bottom, and you can see another triangle at the top, triangle at the bottom, another triangle at the top. Awesome. Later we're going to put some fine tuning here with a smaller brush. You can see. Okay, so something just going on top, and something in the bottom. Here also you can see something in the bottom, and this is going to be on the top. Here also you can see graphics in the bottom and in the top. Okay, so there's the detailed drawing of the trees here. So the tree which is closer, that is a little bit bigger than the other, then tree is getting smaller in a further distance. And we're going to draw a moon here. Okay, let's take a white color and put the moon here. Okay, so when you put the moon, just making it as round as possible. Okay, so you can see some color variations of the moon, the white part and the darker part. Awesome. And for the cloudy sky, just we're taking another brush and putting some the white strokes in the sky like this one. Okay, so the cloudy sky is getting nicely visible, and you can see the white part at the bottom and the darker part at the top. Sky is looking good. And continuous on the top of the canvas. Awesome. Adding little bit white here because that was missing part. Awesome. So the whole drawing is done in front of you, and it doesn't take much time. It just took only 5 minutes. So that's the simple drawing. If you want to add some more graphics on the tree, just put some the white texture on top of the tree lines. That's going to add some more flavor of the color combinations. Awesome. So that's the drawing, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.